Bonjour à tous, c'est Drark, nouvelle vidéo et on va pas se mentir, première vidéo sur la chaîne de YouTube sur Of Ash and Steel. Je sortis le 24 novembre, actuellement en promotion jusqu'au 8 décembre. Euh, j'ai jamais lancé le jeu, ça va être un jeu découverte et je pense que sur la chaîne on va se pencher essentiellement sur des jeux découvertes. Alors, sûrement avec quelques let's play hein, pour que ce soit plus intéressant. Euh, Je suis désolé par avance, comme vous pouvez l'entendre, j'ai petit problème avec la voix. Commence à être malade. Donc, nous allons commencer une nouvelle partie. J'ai pas lancé le jeu, je me suis pas renseigné plus que ça. C'est vraiment une découverte complète. Ok, on va partir. J'imagine que ce sont les modes de difficulté. On va partir en normal. Vraiment, comme j'ai dit, je ne connais pas du tout. Découverte totale.
For centuries, the kingdom of the Seven prospered under a wise and generous ruler. Chosen by the gods, he united the seven major islands and gave their inhabitants what they needed most: peace, order, and a single faith. The islands lived in harmony for generations, united not only by friendly relations, but also by close economic ties. Though great distances separated the islands, merchant ships frequented the trade routes, and the Kingdom of the Seven flourished. This prosperity endured for a long time, but the king's influence could not remain strong everywhere forever, and the soldiers of his order have faded away amidst peace and plenty. Basalt, the seventh island, was the first to stop sending out trade ships, and there has been no word from the sixth island for some time now. Worrisome rumors of islands seceding and declaring independence started to circulate in the capital.
Tristan! Tristan! You alive in there? Open the door, you can die later.
Sympa.
Damn it, Medez. Never fear, princess. I'll break down this prison door and have you freed in no time. Seriously? Sorry, I got carried away. Did you just wake up? Everyone's wondering where you are. Wait, surely it can't be. It's not today. Well, yeah. Everyone's been at the Guildhall all morning waiting for you. Wilbert finally sent me to wake you up. Said to bring you in dead or alive. Damn it all! What's all the commotion about anyway? Is old Willie trying to give you more work?
Well, you could say that, yeah.
You only just finished that last job. Why didn't he give this one to one of us instead?
The work involves maps that I made.
Which maps? The ones you were doing for 6 months?
Not those, the ones of Greyshaft.
The fifth island? I could have told them what they need to know.
I doubt that. I experimented with a new way of charting the reef locations. The Mjordan system.
Oh, so you're saying that it's your own fault, huh?
I suppose so.
Finally! About time!
So, you said everyone's waiting at the Guildhall?
Not anymore. Those armoured lumps got all nervous and headed off. They're at the port. Said to have you come and meet them there. Who are they anyway?
Old friends of Willie's. That's my understanding of it.
From the Order. Armour, cloaks, stony faces. Never thought Willie would have those kind of friends.
Well, only one of them's a friend, apparently. Captain Gellert. The other's just his second in command. Sirdar's his name.
Well, that would explain why they're so attached at the hip.
Look lively! What are you reaching for, you clod? Bring those here.
Hey, be careful.
How many times do I have to tell you?
Where's Jonah?
Anyone seen Joe, Mac?
will flog the hide off you for that.
So, here we are. This is where we part.
Here we are. What? You're not coming to see me off?
Nah, I saw you off from your house. Willie already gave me a scolding when he sent me to fetch you. And I don't really want to catch his eye again.
What did he scold you for?
I thought it was going to be an ordinary day at work, so I took a little nap.
Sleeping on the job? But Des.
You'll want to talk. Well, I hope you have a good trip, and come back soon. You might even make it in time for Titan's Day.
That's right. You know, I was going to invite Kaylee.
That's the way it goes. Can't help it. You won't have time for the fairer sex and all this order business. Safe travels, Tris.
So long, my friend.
Tristan, my boy, what took you so long?
I'm sorry, Master Wilbert. I got the days mixed up.
Well, nothing to be done. At least you're here now.
If you'd have taken any longer, your master would have had to sail off in your place.
But don't think you would have gotten off easy. Don't scare the poor man. There's no harm in waiting a little.
I ordered you to be here at noon. Follow my commands exactly from here on out. This isn't a pleasure cruise.
Yes, sir. I apologize.
That's the last thing I need.
Gellert,
What?
can I speak with you a moment?
Don't worry, cartographer. The captain isn't as stern as he looks. He'll grumble a bit and then calm down. You haven't forgotten where we're sailing, right?
An old cove on the southwest shore. The landing spot was chosen by your navigator to avoid the harbor.
Ah, see? Your memory's still sharp. So you have no problem deciphering all those clever squiggles on your map. What possessed you to chart everything in the Mjordan way?
Theirs is the most accurate system.
Ah, I see. Greyshaft's reefs have been the ruin of many, so accuracy's a must. Oh yes, I meant to ask you last time. Any chance you can handle a sword?
Somewhat.
Did you do your military service on Tantarus?
Like everyone else. So, if you give me a sword, I can put it to use.
I'd like to hope it won't come to that. We need your skills as a cartographer, not a swordsman first and foremost.
And if a fight does happen, no need to worry. We can always protect you.
I feel better already.
Tristan,
Yes, Master Wilbert?
take this. I expect a full detailed report. Write down every step you take. I'll check it when you get back.
Of course, Master Wilbert. You can always count on me.
I certainly hope so. Right then, honorable knights, Tristan, as they say, 7 winds guide you.
Every blessing, my friend. The one will watch over you.
Farewell, sir.
Those clouds don't bode well, Commander. I don't like this weather. We can wait a day or two, can't we? Greyshaft isn't going anywhere.
Not possible. The General's orders were clear. Immediately. The volcanoes will soon awaken.
The blight. It's coming now?
So it seems. Our path to Greyshaft could well be cut off. Orders are orders. Rally our brothers, Sirdar. We need to get underway while the sailors are still sober.
Hear that, cartographer? Bad weather, volcanoes, sweaty men in a cramped cabin. Not worth trading your soft bed in the capital for, is it?
Nothing to do for it. Our duty calls.
Speak sense, Tristan. As for the soft bed, it'll be all the softer once this is over. Now muster those lazy sods, Sirdar.
Ready, nuns? Straighten your habits and get on the ship. It's time to head out.
Bon, j'imagine que l'aventure va commencer. J'ai l'intention de ne pas parler pendant les cinématiques, hein, je laisse l'immersion faire son œuvre. Moi-même ne connaissant pas l'histoire, j'en profite aussi. On fera un petit résumé en fin de cinématique. Donc là, de ce que je comprends, on n'est pas très ponctuel, on a un cartographe et on part en mission. Alors, vous aurez de nombreuses occasions d'interagir avec un monde, le monde de Greyshaft, aussi bien pour converser avec un personnage que pour ouvrir et ramasser un objet. Apaiser les souffrances. Première fois que je lance le jeu, donc j'ai pas réglé les graphismes, j'avoue. J'ai même pas regardé si le jeu était en QWERTY ou AZERTY.
Oh,
Et il y
cartographer!
aura un tuto.
What do you think of Greyshaft?
Not quite what I expected.
I can see that. Your face is the exact color of the island. Have you been to see Emmett? He's our physician.
I'm looking for him now.
We'll find him that way. Ask him for a concoction or some herbs to chew. Come find me when you're feeling better. There's something we need to discuss.
C'est dommage pour un cartographe d'avoir mal de mer, je trouve. Premier objectif, trouver le médecin. Bon, comme je disais, le jeu est en QWERTY. On va passer rapidement. On va mettre les bonnes touches au bon endroit. On verra pour la suite plus tard. Et bien, si on est déjà à fond, je trouvais pas forcément le jeu extrêmement beau. On verra ce que ça donne. Hein. Je n'ai encore rien vu, je le répète. Appliquer. Tac. Les graphismes sont corrects. C'est vrai qu'on est habitué à mieux. Alors, on joue un cartographe. Et c'est à peu près tout ce que j'ai compris. Qu'est-ce que...
Can't see Tucht in a fog like this.
Feckin', what are you, filthy creatures?
About?
What's it to you? Leave me alone.
All right. It's just that the Knights are on a secret mission, and here you
Hey, shouting, am I? We unloaded some of the provisions from the ship, and had barely put them on the ground when these pests swarmed them.
What pests?
Those blight-blasted bugs. Feckin' insects. If they tear through all our food, I'll be flogged for certain.
Ça commence bien,
Do you
on
want
va
me to
chasser
try
les
and shoo
mouches.
them away? I guess I could stomp on them, or...
No, I already tried that. The quartermaster walloped me good for disturbing everyone. I know what you can do. How's about you squash them all for me? Give them a good thumping.
How would I don't even have a weapon.
J'ai rarement chassé les mouches à coups d'épée.
What's those bastards underfoot? Just rid me of this plague, for seven's sake.
Ah, ça me rassure. Alors ça me rassure en même temps, première mission, chasser les mouches. RPG classique, on va bien voir. Alors est-ce qu'il y a une minimap ou un indicateur de quête? Peut-être pas.
Whoa, what? A key would be useful here.
Les objets sont pas en surbrillance. Va falloir fouiller. Alors j'aime beaucoup fouiller dans tous les jeux. Hein. J'avance en général quand il y a un indicateur de quête qui me dit la quête principale est par là, je fais tous les autres chemins. Sensibilité assez élevée.
What? I'm not asleep. The knight told me to guard the... Oh, it's you. Aye. The Order's navigator, right? Not exactly. I'm a cartographer. Aren't those the same thing? Have you seen the physician? He was around here somewhere talking to one of your knights. How's your work going here? I've been working my arse off.
Who do you think's been cleaning up after you this whole time? By the seven, have some shame.
Yeah. Sorry. I had no idea that would happen.
It's fine. It must be tough being a seasick navigator.
Cartographer.
That's what I said.
Not easy being a deck boy.
It sure isn't. Everyone thinks I'm just some stupid kid. Bring this, hold that, clean up here, move that thing there. I am strong, you know. I can board a ship alone anytime. Nobody believes me. Everyone only laughs when I say that.
You could try and prove your worth somehow.
How exactly? Beat someone up? The skipper would give me a whipping and lock me up in the latrine to lick it clean for a month. Hey, can you help me out?
With the latrine licking?
Not that. Help me prove my worth. Let's fight.
Are you serious?
Don't shit yourself too early, Navigator. It won't hurt. We'll just fling some sticks around for show. And that's it. Give me a hand, pretty please. You really want me to spend my whole life as a lover here?
Fine. Where are those sticks?
Le pauvre, on va l'écraser.
Well, you've already agreed to help, so you might as well go find them.
Déviation, suivre la quête a priori. Alors, c'est pas comme ça qu'on ramasse des torches. Ok, écrasé. Alors, je sais pas ce que c'est comme insecte, hein. J'ai pas ça chez moi. L'antenne qui bouge encore, ou une patte.
A sorry sight. My bones are aching again. A storm's coming. I can feel it.
Hey, stop right there. Where do you think you're going?
I'm just going for a walk.
You can go for a walk later. No one leaves, that's orders.
No one leaves. Am I a prisoner or something?
I get the orders, I follow the orders. Back where you came from. You again.
Have you seen the bugs?
What bugs?
The ones crawling around in the provisions.
You'll probably find them near the provisions then. Turn around and go back.
J'ai l'impression qu'ils ont pas peur de prendre le personnage ou le joueur pour un idiot.
You again.
Ils ont des réponses assez classiques.
Where's the physician?
Way over there.
I don't see him.
Pas avoir
You
une vraie
again.
conversation avec lui, c'est fou ça.
Have you ever been to Greyshaft before?
Aye, and my wife's from here. I came here to ask for her hand.
How'd that go?
I can barely remember. I'd barely taken my first step on the island when I had a cup of rye thrust into my hand, and the toasts started. The liquor kept flowing on the way to the village, too. And when they brought the mead out at supper, my memory starts to get hazy. The next thing I remember, I'm on the ship, watching the island get smaller in the distance, with my wife's arms around me.
Wow. Sounds like a courtship to be envied.
J'ai vu des mouvements de caméra un peu bizarres, on a eu un coude en plein écran, et puis le était même pas fini d'être filmé, c'est dommage.
Excuse me.
What do you need?
Hi, I'm Tristan, the
I know who you are. Doesn't change my question. What do you need?
I'm so nauseous I can hardly stand. I'm sick of looking at the contents of my stomach. Please help me.
Look, here, we're in dire straits. Some sod forgot to keep an eye out on the water barrels back in his starter. Now half the crew's laid out from drinking bad water.
I see that.
Look closer. The sailors are shitting blood. Some of them right in the bunks. So, what's that you say? You feeling a little queasy, are you?
Just wait a second and I'll show you.
You're a wise-ass boy, but here's what we'll do. I want to make these poor men a tincture. I've already sent one of the sailors to fetch me boiled water. But for the best effects, I'll need some alcohol. There's brandy in my chest. It's locked. Here's the key.
bring me back brandy, and I'll figure something out for your queasiness. Deal?
Deal. I'll get you your liquor.
Mais en vrai ça change un peu, c'est assez atypique. Au début on avait l'air d'avoir un personnage qui boitait un peu, le médecin qui bégaye, bon ça à la rigueur. Puis on n'a pas peur de nous prendre pour un idiot. J'aime bien.
What?
Même si on a l'air d'être quelqu'un d'important, ils n'hésitent pas à nous rabaisser. Enfin rabaisser, peut-être pas. Ah, on peut sauter, j'avais même pas essayé. Plusieurs fois qu'on a des gros cristaux comme ça, on peut rien en faire.
This weather's been mad lately. Sunny, then rainy, then sunny again. Sometimes I wonder why's everything swaying?
Calm yourself, man!
I can't calm myself. Rough to be sure, but life goes on. You said it.
Hello.
That's for sure.
Do you know where...
You're the cartographer, right?
This morning I was.
You have it rough, cartographer.
Well, maybe a little rougher than you. Are you hiding here to smoke?
Can't smoke in front of the others. It's all, give me a hit, Squid. Share it with us, Squid. And I only have enough rutmain for a few more.
Why squid?
Stinger nose. Where does anyone get their nicknames? Squids don't smoke, I don't think.
Sûrement à cause de sa barbe, je dirais.
What's rutmate?
What titan did you fall off of? This is what we smoke on Greyshaft. We were the first, and we taught the whole kingdom the habit.
We? Are you from Greyshaft?
This morning I was.
Why didn't you stock up on rutmane before we left the starter?
Think you're so clever, do ya? Haven't heard that it's banned from a starter to basalt, then?
No, I didn't know that. Why is it banned?
That's enough, asker of questions. Let me smoke on my native shore in peace.
Does anyone have something to smoke in here?
Well, I think I saw the Order physician had some tobacco. Haven't asked him about it yet.
Bon, comme tous les RPG classiques, on récupère plein de petites quêtes.
Bandits around here have grown fearless. Someone was robbed right in the outskirts recently. That's for sure. Maybe I should move to the village. The city makes me sick.
J'ai pas vu où étaient les provisions tout à l'heure. Peut-être par là, mais... Non. Ah, parce que le mur.
Yes!
3 bottles of brandy. Should I give the physician all of them, or...
Est-ce qu'il y a un inventaire? J'imagine que oui. Alors...
Can't see Tucht in a fog like this.
On a quand même un bel arbre a priori. Hein. Donc c'est caché, on sait pas ce qu'il y a. Donc ça sera la surprise des compétences. Ok. Caractéristiques. On a force, dextérité, endurance, perception et persistance. Donc on verra tout ça. Hein. Il y a une carte mais j'y ai pas encore accès. C'est peut-être pour ça que ça marchait pas tout à l'heure. Ah, a priori j'ai fini la quête d'exterminer la vermine. C'est parti. Tâche, on a quoi?
The bugs are dealt with.
Oh, lad, may the seven hear your words, else another plague may come. In any case, thank you. Perhaps now I can get some rest.
Do you happen to have a cudgel?
Oh, yes, sure. Give me a moment. You can take... just take this one.
Your leg? Are you pulling my... Is this a jest?
What? It's heavy, solid wood. Hit it, toss it around. Nothing will harm it.
J'ai pris sa jambe de bois. Ok. Il a pas l'air de se prendre au sérieux le jeu en tout cas. J'aime bien. Je veux équiper ça. Ah ouais. Le combat. Vous êtes cartographe. Vous savez à peine manier une arme. Mais qu'à cela ne tienne, observez vos ennemis, prenez note de leurs actions et surveillez bien votre endurance ainsi que votre environnement. Ok, on verra bien.
With your skill, you best stick to chasing geese.
Poisson, ce sont.
Before you get yourself hurt. With your skill, you'd best stick to chasing geese.
On a l'air d'être vraiment très lourd. La barre d'endurance, on l'a vide en un coup. Elle est complètement vide juste après un coup. Est-ce que c'est les stats de l'arme qui volent ça ou pas? Il y a moins que ce soit l'arme qui soit pas terrible.
What you draw your weapon for?
What'd you draw your weapon for?
D'accord, donc a priori ils aiment pas ça. R, on gagne l'arme. Très bien.
How goes it?
I am ready.
Let's go, navigator.
That's it. Say your prayers.
Ça commence bien.
I hope he's alive.
Pas beaucoup de pas beaucoup de stratégie. On est vraiment très lourd, c'est étonnant, j'ai l'impression qu'il y a quelque chose à faire.
How goes it? Well, come a trash. The whole crew will respect me now.
Whoa, what?
Ah, poêle à frire, de l'eau. Faut vraiment faire attention à tout du coup. J'ai cru voir des trucs ramassables tout à l'heure ici, mais... Ah,
What'd you draw your weapon for?
donc le jeu nous pousse de toute façon à fouiller partout. Là, en plus t'as pas de gros éclairs, enfin de gros surbrillants sur les objets à ramasser. Chaque tulipe, chaque champignon. Va falloir tout aller
Keep your
voir.
hands where I can see them.
Do you have them? Do you have any root, mate? Not at all.
Squid says he saw you had some.
Don't listen to the deckhands. Tall tales are all they're good for. Now leave me be. I've work to do.
Not yet.
Hurry, boy.
Ah, j'ai ramassé l'alcool. Alors où j'ai pas compris la quête, c'était quoi? Journal. Ah, chercher l'eau de vie, je l'ai.
Me to change. Sometimes I wonder
Est-ce que
why
j'ai fait
we
une
even have
bêtise?
cards.
Ah. J'appuie sur R pour tout prendre. Ok, je ne sais pas ce qui s'est passé.
Then we'll be eating grass soon.
Have you seen how fat the guard captain's face is? Do you have them?
Yep, I've got the brandy. 3 bottles of brandy on the house.
You're not much of a joker. All right, cartographer, how's your nausea? Still suffering?
No, I feel better. Toughed it out, I guess.
Well, off with you then. I've work to do.
Est-ce qu'il faut lui voler le rutin, peut-être?
What?
Can't see Tucht in a fog like this.
Bread prices went up again. We'll be eating grass soon. My bones are aching again.
Feeling better, Tristan?
More or less.
Very good. Let's talk a bit. We've sailed almost halfway across the kingdom together, but I hardly know anything about you. This whole journey is like a dream come true for you, right?
Yes. Dealing with paperwork isn't exactly an adventure.
Is that what you think we're doing? Going on an adventure?
I do realise you're going to Greyshaft on important business.
Important, and also likely dangerous. Tell me, cartographer, what would you do if we encountered bandits? Remember...
Alors, comment est-ce qu'on veut la jouer? La négociation, c'est pas pour moi. S'occuper des blessés. Oh. Allez, on a cartographe. On va jouer RP.
I'll take care of the wounded. I'm sure there wouldn't be many willing to help them in the middle of a fight. But I would, at least.
One help you. You were ambushed on your way to the privy. The bandits know you're not alone. Their knives are at your throat, and they're demanding you take them to our camp. What would you do, Tristan?
I'd play along, I suppose. But I'd try and run away first chance I got.
You're an interesting one, cartographer. All right, run along to the navigator. He's getting impatient.
C'est quoi, c'est par rapport? Je regardais avec la boussole comment ça fonctionnait. Le nord et... Ok, on verra bien. Je crois pas avoir parlé à ces deux-là.
Can't see Tucht in a fog like this.
You again?
Où est le navigateur?
Cartographer, it's about time.
Yeah? What do you need? I was told you were expecting me.
Had your fill already? I thought you'd still be in the head, shivering. Go pass out on your puke-stained mattress. We've reached the cove anyways.
Listen, it was an accident.
A cartographer with marvellous maps. He'll chart us a route that'll make navigating the reefs as easy as sailing between a mermaid's tits. That's what the skipper told me.
I'm really sorry.
People were relying on you, and you behaved like a fragile wench. This'll give me a chance to see how well you know your own maps, too.
The course to the west is shorter. If we go around that side of the island, we'll reach the port in the least time possible.
Which would help us a lot, considering we're short on supplies and the crew's in bad shape. You're right, Tristan.
Be wary of large clusters of waves. They can be a sign of reefs. even though there aren't any in that area according to my maps. It's best to be on the safe side and avoid spots like that anyways.
I agree. I have to admit, I thought you'd be arrogant and refuse to doubt your own wonderful maps.
Better to doubt my maps than lose the entire ship.
Not bad. Not bad at all. You certainly know your stuff when you're not throwing up everywhere. How did you come to be a cartographer anyway?
Because it pays well.
On aime tous l'argent, hein.
Photography is a fairly lucrative trade. Besides, if I'm lucky, I get to travel to the other islands.
Hey, I see. All right. Go report back to your captain. Well done, cartographer.
Fearless. Someone was robbed right in the outskirts recently.
Hang on, you're the cartographer, right? Tristan. That's what I heard the ordermen call you.
Well, you have me at a disadvantage then. I don't know your name.
The name's Rower. You don't have anything to drink on you, do you? The skipper confiscated all the booze before we set sail, so as not to get on your night's bad side.
I don't. Sorry. I'm just looking for a position.
Nothing at all. Don't go thinking I'm just a no-good drunk, by the way. Just that every time there's a storm, or even just bad weather, I get an ache in my heart and feel lousy enough to jump from the yardarms. But a good old portion of liquor makes everything right again, and the noise in my head stops. What I wouldn't give for even a drop.
Sorry.
Damn it all.
Sometimes I wonder why we even have guards. Something was banging around in the cellar all night. Couldn't bring myself to risk checking what it was.
Ouais, qui est le capitaine? Ah bah.
Ah, Tristan. How are things with the navigator?
Just fine. He's a fine fellow, and I'm sure we'll get on swimmingly.
Always full of jokes. The seasickness hasn't gotten the best of you yet, has it?
It certainly tried its hardest, Captain.
Call me Gellet. You're a civilian. There's no need for titles. You can speak freely. Have you had a good time?
I'm sorry?
So, you taught that deck boy a lesson, Tristan. Keep up the good work. Got nothing else to say, huh? Well, let's talk about something else then.
Have you been to the 5th island?
Yes, several years ago.
Was it an official trip? Did you go in through the harbour?
Too official, if you ask me. And not much more pleasant.
Why not?
Because we arrived in port on the Retribution.
I'm not familiar with it. I mean, I saw frescoes of it at the church orphanage, but I don't remember them telling us much about it.
I'm not surprised. Because it's on the Order's conscience, not the church's. They send the galley called Retribution when there is a direct threat to the King's authority. Or the foundations of our faith are disrupted. No negotiations, no trials, fair or otherwise. Just divine retribution at the tip of Order Knight swords.
And that happened on Greyshaft?
Unfortunately, yes. Those are bad memories, Tristan. Let's not stir them up.
Gellet, why are we sailing to Greyshaft?
Well, you sailed to Greyshaft to make sure the ship reached its shore safely. The crew will replenish the stores of fresh water, and you'll sail back to Astarta. But as for the Order's aims, that's not something you're entitled to know.
I thought we were speaking freely and no titles.
Consider that a friendly answer. In any other case, I'd have punched you in the teeth for asking too many questions.
Have you known Wilbert for a long time?
A long time indeed. I broke his nose. Back when I was barely off the boat.
What? Really?
The ship had just arrived from Meor. I was still very young. I'd managed to sneak on board and hide out in the hold. And I figured I'd be able to sneak back out when we got to Astarta. But this fox spotted me.
came up to me with one hand behind his back and started asking questions about who I was and where I came from. I was not much of a talker back then, and I socked him right in between the eyes. He fell back onto his rump, stared at me wide-eyed and asked, "Why did you do that?" Then I saw that he was holding a loaf of bread in his other hand. He had wanted to give it to the little urchin me, and so we made a trade. I gave him my filthy old kerchief to mop up the blood, and he gave me the bread. We've been in contact ever since.
A little boy alone in the ship's hold? Didn't your parents wonder where you went?
There was no one to wonder about me, Tristan. What about you? What do your parents think of your adventure?
I wouldn't know who to ask. I spent my childhood at the church orphanage.
Don't they tell you the names of your parents when you reach adulthood and leave the orphanage?
Yes, but only if you ask. And at that point, I really didn't care. Well, it was lovely talking to you. I think I'll go lie down.
Wait. Now let me ask you a question of my own. That journal you keep. Do you really record every step you take as Wilbert commanded?
I'm trying my best.
Can I take a look? I'm curious.
Yes, of course.
Ha! Some adventure you've been having.
That's for sure.
Thank you for lightening my mood, Tristan. That's truly a luxury in our line of work.
Certainly, Geralt. Anytime.
All right, Tristan.
Bon, il est sympa ce petit gars.
I'll see you in the morning.
Commander, I'll stand watch. I'm wide awake.
That won't be necessary. I have men to post. Tomorrow's going to be a long day. You should rest as well.
Bah je m'y attendais pas. Et je m'attendais pas à ce qu'il y ait un monde avec de la magie non plus. J'ai pas vu dans les stats une quelconque compétence qui permettrait de faire la magie, et on va regarder ça de plus près. Forcément on est le seul survivant. Peut-être d'autres blessés, on va faire un petit tour.
One almighty.
Eh ben, je sais pas qui nous a attaqué, mais c'était violent. Je voulais regarder, c'était pas comme ça. Compétences, non, caractéristiques. Je suis pas sûr qu'on puisse utiliser la magie, en tout cas pas tout de suite. Il n'y a pas de... vois rien en rapport avec la magie.
Cartographer! Cartographer! Hey, you alright? You alive? I'm alive. I'm mostly alive. Ah, just going to rest a bit.
What happened? I remember people crash. Then I woke up ashore.
Fun, wasn't it? They were waiting for us. Caught us in an ambush like fish in a net. I think they hit the ship to make sure no one could escape.
An ambush? I thought this was a secret mission.
You thought right, Cartographer. I hope we'll have time to ponder this idea again sometime. But no worries. Things aren't really all that bad.
Right. Couldn't be better.
Judge for yourself. You're alive, I'm alive, and we still have that scroll, which means we can get to the Order as planned. Just
as planned. We have to get off this island. Everyone's dead.
Quit your complaining. Our mission is still to find Answer and give him the letter. Once it's in his hands, there'll be an Order ship to take you straight back to the capital. Perhaps there'll be a place for me on that ship too. One willing. Listen carefully, Tristan. As you can see, I'm in a bit of a mess. And I really don't want to kick the bucket here in this one forsaken cove. There was a physician on the ship with us, remember? He always wore a ridiculous hat.
Oh, yeah. I went to him when I was seasick and he called me a drunk.
He may not have been the best company, it's true. But he knew his trade well. We need to find his bag. It's big, with a belt strap. There should be a few healing potions inside in red flasks. They'll help stop the bleeding. Do you know any prayers to the One?
I know the last rites.
How appropriate. While you're looking for the bag, best pray that the potion flasks are all still in one piece. Because otherwise you'll have to go dig up his chest, which went down with his cabin on the ship. And I don't think I'll last long enough for you to find it. Come now. You set sail with us in search of adventure, did you not? Here's your first quest. Save this night. Maybe eventually you'll get around to saving princesses.
Bah, plutôt de bonne humeur pour quelqu'un qui va mourir. Alors, c'est étonnant comme lumière. Je sais pas ce que c'est. Cristal.
What a nightmare.
C'est qui a parlé? C'était mon personnage peut-être? C'était Tristan? J'ai pas fait gaffe. Ah, on a quand même des paillettes pour nous dire il faut regarder là.
This is our physician. Or was.
On peut pas zoomer.
Aha! One bottle's still intact. But just one.
C'est quoi ça, hein, ça?
I can manage.
On va pas laisser notre camarade mourir. Hein. J'ai 25 points de vie. J'avais pas vu ma vie d'ailleurs. Alors j'ai une question bête, mais est-ce que marcher dans le feu ça fait mal? Ah bah... Le feu a un mur invisible. On ne peut pas marcher dedans. Bon.
Here. Did you find it? My hero. Ah, I feel better already. Thank you, Tristan. Now listen to me. I just need another minute here, then we'll get moving. The Order's headquarters on this island is north of here. Like I said before, we need to get this letter to their leader, Answer. And then you'll get on that ship. And who knows? Maybe I will too.
What happened to the men who ambushed us?
Ah, they're not around right now, so there's nothing to worry about. And anyways, counting you, there's two of us now. As my Uncle Tibor always said, one's an easy target, but two's trouble. So we'll be fine.
Did your uncle say anything about beaches covered in corpses?
When it comes to dead men's possessions, there's no superstition in a time of need. He runs a tavern on Greyshaft. Has tons of stories. So come on, grab yourself a weapon and bring me my sword. It's sticking out of that scum over there.
Elle est plantée où son épée?
There's something engraved on the handle. To my favourite nephew from Uncle T.
Ah, j'ai un peu de potion, c'est cool, de l'eau. La soif, ça veut dire qu'on... Ah oui, on a des signes vitaux, la faim, la soif, la fatigue et l'immunité. Et donc il va falloir gérer sa faim, etc. Alors je suis désolé, hein, pour un premier épisode, il y a quand même beaucoup de dialogue, je m'attendais pas à ça. Encore une fois, je m'attendais pas à grand chose, je me suis pas du tout renseigné sur le jeu, c'est la première fois que je lance. J'ai pas forcément envie de faire des vidéos trop longues, peut-être 1 heure. Ah, il est décédé. J'ai perdu ma potion.
The letter. He said that the order would help me get home.
C'est quand même pas super drôle, hein. On se fait empoisonner, on vomit partout. On se fait attaquer pendant la nuit. Tout le monde meurt, on est le seul survivant. Quel dommage. Il n'y a aucun loot, est-ce qu'on peut passer par là? Wouah, c'est lourd. J'imagine que maintenant l'épée on peut l'équiper. Même pas. Ah, zut. Je dois rester avec ce gourdin. Ah, pardon, cette jambe. Cette jambe de bois. On a récupéré maintenant que le feu s'est éteint, on dirait pas, hein, malheureusement. Bon, bah l'aventure commence.
Farewell.
Why farewell? On the contrary. Hello there,
Oh,
my
thank
good
the
man.
one! Please, help me, we were...
Oh, on n'a pas de bol jusqu'au bout. Alors j'ai un peu de mal avec les doublages. Je trouve pas forcément qu'ils soient super bien faits. En tout cas, qu'ils collent forcément à la vidéo. Je trouve ça un peu dommage. Bah, quand même plutôt musclé. Hein. Et on va pas commencer à tout piller. Petite première sauvegarde. Alors. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? On va s'arrêter là pour une première vidéo. Je dois être à peu près à 1 heure de vidéo. Oh, c'est vraiment bizarre ce qui se passe. Hop. C'était où? Sympa si on a des effets comme ça. Et le temps continue de défiler, ça se trouve, je peux me faire attaquer pendant que je suis dans le menu. Intéressant. Excusez-moi, donc je disais, on va s'arrêter là pour la première vidéo. Hein. Je m'attendais pas à ce qu'il y ait autant de dialogues, on n'a pas fait grand chose. On a fini, on va dire, le pseudo-tuto, l'introduction. Qui a un cartographe parti en mission pour guider un bateau. L'équipage s'est fait empoisonner, on s'est arrêté pour se reposer, on va dire. Et avant de repartir, on s'est fait prendre en embuscade. On est le seul survivant. Et on verra la suite au prochain épisode, parce que du coup on n'a pas encore joué. On ne sait même pas vraiment quelle est l'histoire, quel est le but du jeu, qu'est-ce qui vient de se passer. Donc à bientôt, c'était Drark et à très vite pour le 2e épisode. Merci.